foiling, right?
Foiling method, right?
Yeah. So you have to do something. So for the first one, we do 7k times 5k, which is 35k squared, and then we have negative 18. Then you have 2 10k. Then you have 7k. 7 times 9 is okay. Minus 63k. So we add this up. Oh, 35k squared is around. Okay. Where's the k power 10? Where's the minus 10 minus 6? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Which equals
Foil method.
yeah. We write that to real. A function is shown. Which graph represents the function? This is easy. 2x plus 2.
What is the y-intercept value? Can you guess?
Or 2, 5.
Good. It is 5. Where is it?
2. Oh, that's easy.
Simple.
Jared buys a large bag of dog food. He feeds his dog to cook the food each day. Each state linear, negative linear.
See, he feeds. Yeah, I think you got it right.
Yeah. This one. The second difference is well, you could just see the vertex, but that's what I did. Is it right?
I mean, that is like a guess. But let's say in the question it is given the last one, 2,9, right?
Uh-huh.
But if let's say if I am the invigilator, I mean, if I am the test maker, I can also create one more option and then drop the first 3 as it is. But last one, instead of 2,9, I can write 2,8. If it is 2,8, that is not a quadratic relation, right?
Yeah, but the second difference is also.
You have to verify with the second difference.
Yeah.
So looking at all options is important.
But if they.
But look at the B option, option B. Is this also following?
What?
Option B. Is it also following?
No. This is not quadratic. Because this one, only in a quadratic equation can it, like it was like, how do you just really cool. That's what my teacher told us to think of. So say this is a quadratic equation, no problem.
Are you looking at the vertex or are you checking the second difference? Which one is it?
Looking at the vertex.
See, can you apply the same principle for option B? 0, 1 and 2. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6.
No, because only in a quadratic function it could both go up.
Okay. Yeah. So option B is correct. C is correct.
C? Oh yeah. C, yeah. Yeah. Has the greatest slope? This one. Or wait, this is one. This one.
Wait. How much is the slope?
3/2.
3/2 means 1 point.
5.
5/3 means?
In the test, I won't check this, but I'll try to get through it fast, like you said. 1.6 repeating 7. Do you have that memorized?
What?
Do you have that memorized?
I mean 5/3, right? It's simple fraction. 1.6.
Okay. X is less than 3. Okay. Y
See,
is greater.
things like that, you have to verify all the options, okay? Don't just jump in between just because you want to do it fast. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And then this one.
So y greater than or equal to -3 and x less than 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Give me a second. Okay. A ball was dropped from the balcony and had it 20 feet above level ground. The height and speed of the ball after t seconds is modeled by the function. What is the range of the function in terms of the situation described? Well, so a ball. So say we have a graph. Wait, a ball was dropped from a balcony at a height of 20 feet. Below the ground. The height and speed of the ball after t seconds is modeled below. Okay, so t is from 0 to, oh no, that's the time, you don't know. The height, is it this?
Yeah, range means y value, not t, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which equation models the exponential growth? Models exponential growth this way.
Exponential growth. What about B? What about A? C?
A. But A is not greater than 1.
Yeah, that is the answer. Okay.
Yeah. Decay exponentially this way.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. A line with a slope of 2 passes through the point 11.5. Okay, complete. And point slope form.
Do you remember the point slope form?
X minus x1.
Y minus?
Y1 x minus x1.
So,
Wait, sorry. It's, x minus, which is x1. This.
okay. So, path will create a point and slope. Okay.
Oh my god, this was on my test. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, I got 100 on my test.
Which test?
EOC review quiz.
Of? Which subject?
It's like math.
Okay, when was it? Nice.
I can. It was last Friday.
Oh. You're saying this now?
Yeah. 3 minus 9. So the end is all day. 9. 2. It's why did I put that? 3 plus 3 over, since there's an x there, is A. Question mark.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. So we had a long session in fractions one class. So
Oh yeah. Yeah, cause yeah. Cause here's how I did it. So the 2x, since it's the division of the square goes away, that's 2x, and then that's 9 because the x's cancel out. And then for this one, we can divide by 2, so we have 3, but then the x is still there, so we still have to put over x.
Yeah, that's it.
Which equation is given? X quadratic.
Simple, right?
Yeah. That's a vertex form?
Yep.
Okay. This is H3. The vertex is 3, 1.
3, 1. A value is?
What?
A value.
A value is 1.
1.
If A value makes this positive or negative, or like 4x, 2x, right?
See, A into x minus h whole square, right?
Yeah.
So 1 into x minus 3 whole square. A value is 1.
What's it? A function. Oh god. So just they're telling us to find h of 15.
Okay. Can be.
Oh! I got it. Multiplying 1/5 by the square of 50. Is it this one?
Simple, right?
Yeah. Okay. Whatever, that's random because my classes, they travel to school already. Okay. Which way of trying data? This is categorical. We can plot the percentage. We can plot this one so binary. Right? You could be like boss over there. Okay, so on the line plot. Okay, so by what is it? Bivariate categorical.
Yeah, that's it.
Let me see. I want to check the explanation it gave.
Explanation?
Yeah, here, because I'm still confused on how to determine if it's a binary or univariate.
Bivariate means 2 variables. Univariate means 1 variable.
Yeah, my teacher said that how we
11th grade and 12th grade. 2 variables.
Oh yeah, I just saw that part. Okay.
So anyways, I have written all these categories in the notebook. I mean, polypad notes. Fine.
Yeah.
You can just review them, or I will share them later. Fine.
Yeah. I also have a question. You said you had a website that had answers or questions for something for the EOC.
Well, I said I have previous papers, but not for best. It's like star curriculum. So for California, Pennsylvania, and some others. Not for Florida. Algebra 1.
Yeah. Okay. The question is given, so they both have r squared and s squared, we call it. So 7r squared, s squared. And we have r cubed, so we have 6r. So is C?
Yeah, 6r minus 5s. Simple.
Yeah.
Right?
Eliminated. So I eliminated these two. I have these two left. It is a positive slope. It's going rise and reverse. So the side 3 and up 5 rise, 5 is it this one?
Yeah, so y-intercept is
Positive.
yeah, slightly above 4. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Oh, sorry.
what do you know between B and D? Which one is the right one?
It's rise over run. So we have 3 here, and then we go up 5. Wait, can you say? Yeah, up 5. So rise over run to this. So we could go to this side. 3, right? Because that's the rod, and then the rise is 5, and we have another point. So, y over
See, still the process doesn't change. Just how we solved earlier for the line question. Only 2 things matters. X-intercept, y-intercept. Y-intercept, we already found that. So it will be 13 over 3 positive. So x-intercept, how do you find x-intercept?
the y to 0.
So if you put y equal to 0, x should be how much? In
Negative. Wait.
Slightly less than negative 2. Which?
Jared collects
Okay,
that
so
on the 1923. Then this is 1920. Then the scatter plot shown. He determines the equation for the line of best fit to be y equals 2.33. For 2040. Okay, so they're telling us to plug into 1E40.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What relation is it?
Oh, wait, what? What do you mean by relation?
Look at the graph.
1T40. Give me a second. I'm just gonna get the answer really quick. Oh. 48, 45. In millions of people. 0.25. Okay.
Yeah, mx plus d, right?
Yeah.
Simple. So these questions are called modeling questions. The graph it's like that. So based on that, linear relation formula is estimated. So plug directly x is equal to 2040. So that is the answer.
What are the questions called again?
Modeling question. You are modeling the equation y equal to 2.33x like that based on graph, based on the diagram. Modeling is like approximation, not the exact value, just closer approximation.
I have a question. You earned 0 out of 1 points, it said.
So what does x represent? Okay, now you have to look at the question now. So read the question. What is x and what is y? That matters, right?
Yeah.
X is
Oh, yes.
number of years since.
So y is 2040. 2040 minus clear 24. I said clear. I said clear. I said clear.
See, since 1920, right? What happened?
Yeah.
See, what are you doing? X represents what? X represents
Since 1920.
since 1920.
Okay.
So here, if you want to use this formula, x value should be how much?
Give me a second. Minus 9. 120. I have 120.
So you have to put 120 or 121.
What?
Okay, first put 120. What is the answer?
120 for X or for Y?
Yeah, x, right? X represents the years.
Oh my god, I hate this calculator.
Okay, why it is not working?
It's so annoying sometimes. But it's okay.
Is it the same calculator in the exam?
Yep.
Wow, good luck with that.
Yeah. 371.65.
Okay, let's see if that is correct. So 371.65.
Okay. Where is...
Did you put it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Next.
Okay. Bashir has 3 for $10. Cup A, cup B, and then Is it this?
Okay, x plus y is obviously 3, 4, 1, 0. So at least 196.
Right.
See, what is x and what is y? What is the difference between option A and option B?
They switch the x and they switch the y.
So which one should be the correct one?
That's the one I meant to press. Sorry.
Okay. See, x dollars in account A. It is given.
Uh-huh.
Y dollars for account B. So for x interest is 6%. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah, I meant to press this because I press like this, like.
Next.
Okay. My brother's making a lot of noise outside. A rental company. Oh my god, I'm moving so fast.
Yeah, quick.
Like, I know it seems like I'm moving slow, but in the test we have like more than half of it. In the test we have like 4 hours.
Oh.
Or more, including lunch.
So how many questions? 50?
50, yeah.
Okay, so I think it is enough time for verifying all options and things like that.
This is kind of easier because in the actual test is word problems.
Okay, I mean these are also word problems, right?
They are?
These questions are word problems, right?
Oh, I thought word problems were the super long ones.
Word problems means words in it. It's not like long or short. If the question gives like directly solve for x instantly means it's not like a word problem, right?
Oh, I get it. Okay.
So word problem is like they want to discuss a story.
What about like the ones where you can identify the graph?
See, word problems means they will be like discussing a story. He wants to build a rectangular plot. Bashir wants to put interest in account A, account B. A rental company charges $2 per hour. It's like a story, word problem.
Increasing linear.
Okay, increasing linear. Yeah, simple, right?
I have class until 9 o'clock today.
Yeah, like 5-minute break in between. You'll also get that.
I added and profit concerning wiping rates is profit P in dollars. I'm reading the question. Profit P in dollars is modeled with a given equation. Okay, the profit is the amount of money he earns from selling his painting. It says I earned 0.
What happened?
It said I got it wrong.
So read the question again.
That represents the cost of making my paint.
Difference. Cost of making paintings means
The negative of taking the money away. Do you have any kids that are like really young and they're doing algebra?
real what?
Do you like teach any kids that are like really young when they do algebra?
You mean algebra 1? Calculus.
No. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay. That's the answer, right? Yeah. Cardiac output. D is the amount of blood that the heart pumps per minute. The value of D can be found using the formula shown, where V is the amount of blood the heart pumps, and with each heartbeat, and R is the number of heartbeats per minute. Complete the equation to represent V in terms of D and R. V equals D over R.
Wow, so much for simple question. D by R.
Yeah. Why can't they just say complete the equation, like have this
Yeah.
and the equation?
Yeah, next.
Two divers are underwater. Okay, I know this one. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so the two values 11 minus 32
Of the other one.
minus 32 11 minus 11 minus 32 minus 21 minus 33. Hello?
What?
No, this isn't. This is right?
See, why it is right? See, what is the symbol in between?
Absolute value.
Absolute value. So 32 plus 11 or 32 minus 11.
No.
Positive 21, positive 43.
Oh.
What happened?
Wait, why is it positive though?
The answer is positive. See, x minus 32 is equal to, if you want to get rid of this absolute value, plus or minus 11.
Yeah. So then you have to.
X minus 32 is plus or minus 11.
That's what I did. Right? Oh, you have to add. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So 32 plus 11,
I-
32 minus 11.
Yeah, you see, I put minus 32.
Okay. Okay, did you guess the answer? 11?
What?
Okay. Yeah, so any doubts so far?
No,
Next.
I just guess.
Quick.
The equation of a linear function. Okay. Function R has a lesser y-intercept and a slope that is 3 times. Slope is 6. 6. Slope is 2. No, lesser y-intercept. Isn't this one B?
R. So Q and R are given. R y-intercept is negative 2. Yeah. So yes. Slope is.
This one my test, I think. I don't know why it's here too.
Slope for R is how much?
6.
6. Good. So 3 times. Yeah, that is correct.
X is greater than or equal to 5. Which is x. X is greater than or equal to 5. Y is less than negative 3. This one? Well, I need to, yeah.
So negative 3 and then greater than or equal to 5. Yeah, that's it.
Nice. An equation we show x squared minus 15x equals 914. What are the two?
From here only I can tell the answer. Can you tell me?
Huh?
Right?
I use the discriminant formula.
See, by looking at the question, for this question, I can directly tell the answer. What are the two x values? How to solve this question?
15.
So write this point, okay? Take your pen.
Yeah.
To solve quadratic equation, first convert into general form. General form means all terms are together and one of the sides is 0. Okay?
Standard.
Done? So
Yeah.
the first step is what?
squared minus 15x plus 14 equals 0. What do you write that down?
Can you think of the factors? Can you think those factors? Middle term is negative 15.
Yeah. So what are they asking for?
X values, right? How to solve for x?
So you use a discriminant formula?
Well, that is not called discriminant formula. It is called quadratic formula. But
No.
that is a bit long in this. We can directly find the...
This formula could be minus 4 times a times c. This formula.
See, b square minus 4ac. That is discriminant formula. That doesn't give the x values, okay?
That gives you the two zeros of the function, aren't they, the x values?
See, minus b plus or minus. That is the original formula. See, can you use the factored form?
How do I do that? Wait, what is like the fastest way to solve?
Well, it depends on the question. But for this question, factored form is the fastest. Can you try it?
Okay. Can you walk me through how to do that, please?
See, x square minus 15x plus 14.
Yeah.
Factored form means first step is multiply AC.
Oh, yes, and I forgot this. Yes. Oh my god, I need to review this.
How much is AC?
14 and 1. 14.
So what are the factors?
7 and 2.
What type of factors you are looking for?
Factors that add up to 15.
Negative 15. Negative 15. So you start from the smallest number.
Negative 14 minus 1.
Negative 14 and negative 1.
Okay. And then what do you do?
I mean, you can directly write them. So x minus 14 into x minus 1. That will be the answer.
X minus 14. Wait. Could you say it? Wait. X minus 14 into x minus 1
is equal to 0.
X minus 14, yeah. And then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Oh, they just mean they want the entire equation?
X values, how can you find now?
How?
Set them equal to 0. X minus 14, 0 means x is...
14 and 1. Oh,
14 or 1. This method is only valid for when a value is 1.
Yay, I know something.
Are you not sure of the answer?
No, I am. I just want to keep track of it.
Next.
It also gives an explanation.
So have you written that point? The first step to solve is convert into general form. Whatever the formula you need to use, quadratic formula or factored formula. First you have to convert into what form?
Standard or general.
Standard or general, same thing.
Okay, this is a positive function, so it's infinity for both.
It is an even function. Positive. Not even.
Okay. What is the value of x? Oh god, okay. Just solve, I guess. Well, 3, 3. How did I get the 5 there? Because 15 how to be a 3 because it's divided by 3. So 3, 15, 6. Is it 6? I don't know how to do this one.
See exponents, right? Product of cube root of 18 into 5 into cube root of 6. Okay, we'll continue. Yeah, so how much? Is equal to cube root of x. So this 3 See, this 3 should be like on the radical. We are writing it outside.
Yeah.
Okay. Now x. How do you get x now?
Times 3.
Cube, not times.
Oh, yeah.
Exponent is on both. Yeah. So plug this value in the calculator and then you can find.
Oh.
So 5 into cube root of 108. See, technically, calculator is not that, not really important. So 5 cube into 108. 100. Why 100? It is 108, right? And that is cube root of 108, not square root. So this is cube root of 108, not square root. It should be.
Yeah. What the heck is this? What is answer?
Whoa, what's that? See, it's not 5 cube, okay?
Oh god. It has like a science experience.
What happened?
No, nothing.
108.
Oh, it's 4.
Okay, x is 4. No?
Yeah. Medical service, 150 high school juniors and seniors. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26, that's 48. $22.
Okay, what is the process?
19 plus 7. 22 plus 26 plus 22. Subtract them. Hello? It's not working. Give me a second.
Juniors and seniors.
25.
Okay. Simple, right? That minus that. Honey, mustard minus sweet and sour. So you have to add 26, 11, 26, 22, 11 and 12. So 48 minus 30, 23, 25.
Yeah.
Simple. Next.
Oh, okay. The g of x is a decreasing or increasing. F of x is also increasing.
Okay, F. Okay, F and G are two separate things. So what is the y-intercept of... Okay, that is not important. Let's study the options. As the value of x increase, g of x eventually be greater than f of x. Is this true or false?
How do we determine that?
You go from left to right. Value of x increase means... So write this point somewhere. Go from left to right in the graph. That is what it means by as the value of x increases.
I wrote it.
Which one is the answer?
Um,
Is g of x increasing as you go from left to right?
yeah,
And what about f of x?
yeah.
So both are increasing. But which one is the greater one?
F of x.
Okay, let's see. Y-intercept for f of x is 1. For g of x it is also 1. For f of x, at x equal to -1, how much?
The slope of f of x is 3. The slope of g of x is 0.25.
So g of x is increasing small.
G of x is exponential, right?
Okay. Yeah, g of x is exponential. So g of x starts small, but it grows.
Okay. I mean, A could be true.
Okay, one thing we noticed about y-intercepts is both are equal, right? For f and g. So option C and D are eliminated as it is.
Mhm.
So we have to check A and B. So as the values of x increase, g of x is eventually greater than f of x. So see, I mean, do you know the graph how the exponential curve will be? Can you draw it there?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the whiteboard.
Up to 0, that linear function is actually negative, but exponential is still positive.
Mhm.
Up to 0,
This is the y int. It looks somewhat like this.
that is exponential. Where is the, so draw it on the left side also.
That would be a quadratic.
It's not
Oh,
quadratic.
yeah.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. So draw that linear function also f of x. They both have the same y-intercept. So up to 0, which one is greater? From negative infinite to 0,
Uh,
exponential is greater.
mhm.
The output values, which one is greater? Click on back
Oh, but there's a back.
on the top left, in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so basically, up to 0 means up to here. Here to here, which one is greater? Is it f or is it g?
F. F. Sorry. F is the linear.
It's not linear. It's still exponential only. It's like this.
No. But in the question, F is the linear one, and G is the.
Oh, f is the linear. Okay, so no worries. So up to 0, which one is greater?
2 0 G is greater.
G is greater, right?
Uh-huh.
And as you go from here to here, let's say, see, they meet at certain point like this. They meet somewhere like this. Till they meet up to here, which one will be greater?
They're equal.
Up to here, G is greater than F. But here to here, till they meet in the right side, F value is on top of G.
Oh yeah, if you leave like, well,
And then you cross this, F will be less than G.
yeah.
So basically, we need to look at the precise diagram. So whether the graph will be like, let's say it is. Okay.
So when they use the word eventually, what do they mean?
Eventually means as the time passes, which one will be greater? Can you answer now?
Okay, gas. So that's my question. So eventually,
In the end,
that's me.
what happens? Which one is greater? You can think it like that.
Eventually mean like almost like end behavior.
Yeah. Eventually, G will dominate, right? Exponential.
I don't actually write like that. I don't know why it looks like that.
Okay.
It's on.
Yeah. So next.
Okay, so I can 50 minutes, right? 22, 5. Is it B?
Okay. So fill. Okay. Why not A? What is the difference between A and B?
Because it's asking for greater than or equal to.
See, but variables are on the left or right?
Left.
Variables are on the right.
The very. Does it
6x,
go up?
6x and 2y in the formula.
Oh, yeah. That's on the right.
So you can write like that. What? 6x plus 2y is less than or equal to 40.
Yeah. So always think of it from variables to the answer.
From variables perspective, if it is less than or equal to, like that you have to check. So write this point. So first, right, 40 greater than or equal to 6x plus 2y means
Equal to.
So write this point. 40 greater than or equal to 6x plus 2y means
Equal to 6x plus 2y means
6x plus 2y
yeah.
is less than or equal to 40.
Okay.
So in the brackets you can write it's a perspective from the variables.
Okay.
So that is why it is not option B. It is option A. Okay.
All right. I understand.
One small guesswork, if you want to call it like that. One shortcut is, see, the simplest point of all is 0, 0. Point origin. If you put 0, 0, 40 is greater than or equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
That means 0, 0 is satisfying.
Okay.
So in option A and B, which region contains 0, 0?
Here.
A, right? So write this point also. The simplest point is 0, 0. I'll give you time, right?
The simplest
Point to verify.
thing to verify
Inequality is the origin.
verify an inequality
To verify the inequality is the origin. Its coordinates are x0 and y0. 0, 0. So in the above example, 40 greater than or equal to 6x plus 2y. For 40 greater than or equal to 6x plus 2y, 0, 0 is satisfying. Right there.
Yeah.
0, 0 is satisfying the inequality. So the region should highlight 0, 0 also. Simple. If you get any confusion, like which one to consider A or B, you can just like 0, 0.
Okay.
Do you understand the essence, the shortcut?
Yes.
Okay, next. Is it tiring?
Huh?
Is it tiring?
No.
Then let's continue. So we are almost done, right? Up to 50 there. It is 42. Okay.
like this.
Simple, right?
Yeah, let me just check because I don't know if they want spaces or anything. So,
Okay.
because our test is very specific. Like, are you really gonna take this long? This is graded by AI, so
This question.
all questions.
Okay, it seems like there is a space after 9 and
There
a
is?
half. Yeah, after 9 and a half, there is a space.
But it said I earned 1 point of
Okay.
1.4.
Oh, okay, then no problem, I guess. So 8b space plus. Okay, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know I could make this smaller. Didn't.
Yeah, I mean, you can get used to it after some classes.
Cynthia buys some tools. She creates an exponential solution V to predict the value of her tools after 2 years. She predicts her tools will have a value of 380 after 1 year and a value of 361 after 2 years. Plug these in with 1 and 2.
Yeah. If you plug 1, what should be the answer?
380.
Like that. Check it quick.
Yeah. Oh, so it's kind of glitchy. I don't know. It's really glitchy right now. Okay. I'm sorry. This is so glitchy. 400.
Why it is going left, right?
I don't know. Let me try again. Is it? Okay. 400. And to the power of 1,
If you put 1, what is the answer? 380.
the power of 2. Okay, it's the first one.
Simple, right?
Okay, this is just the bus stop.
Calculator. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's not
Next.
like this. Oh, sorry.
Click on next. Choose the option.
Give me a second. There we go. It's in the top. I don't know. It's a glitch. Okay. Okay. That's 3, 4. So I know it's positive, so get rid of that one. And I know it's 4, so get rid of those 2. And then A is. What is A again?
A into x minus h whole square, right? Yeah. So, yeah.
Because A is negative.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yes. This is easy.
What is the answer?
Technical difficulties.
Why? Do you need calculator for this one?
Yes.
No.
You did.
No.
You could simplify, but if you want to make sure it's the answer.
See, root 24 by root 8 means what? Root 24 divided by 8.
I got it.
No.
Is it right?
And I think anything else is left?
No.
Hmm.
Okay, next. Here I'm done.
Done?
Yeah.
So click on end.
It doesn't
Yes.
tell you anything.
So this is the question, right?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. But we are comparing which variable and which variable?
Diameter and area. Well, yeah, as the diameter gets bigger, the area also gets bigger.
See, it gets bigger, but see, A equal to, in terms of diameter, what is the formula?
pi d
Area.
over 2.
Is it like this?
No, entire thing.
Is it like this? See, pi r square, right?
Yeah,
Pi d square by 4.
I have never learned that. But okay.
R is equal to d by 2, right?
Yeah.
R square means d square upon
4. Okay.
any doubt? So area of circle is pi d square upon 4. Now let's look at the options. See, on the x-axis and y-axis, which variables are there? On the y-axis, what is the variable represented?
Area.
Area, right? So you have to write, instead of a, this is y now, is equal to pi into, what is the x-axis representing?
Diameter.
So d is the x now. So pi x square upon 4. What relation is this?
Graphic.
I is equal to pi x square upon 4.
Okay.
What relation? Is it linear?
It's like exponential.
See, it's not exponential. Exponential means exponent will be like this.
Oh, okay.
Variable is in the power.
That looks like a quadratic.
Quadratic relation, right?
Yeah, but there's no quadratics here. Oh, square root.
This one or this one? Which one is it?
D.
Huh?
Okay, so if it is a quadratic, then it could either be like this.
See,
or
y
like
is equal to ax square. Something into x square. What is a graph?
y is equal to.
Do you remember this? Y equal to ax square.
Yeah.
It passes through origin like this.
Yeah.
Diameter means length positive. So you have to consider this region.
Oh, okay.
So that is the relation. This is root d, square root function. Something like that. So option D is not. A and B are linear. This is a bit advanced, but concept is basic, but if you want to focus on, let's say, competitive tests or more than what is school teaching you.
Yeah, but I'm just trying to focus on in the syllabus because I just
Now, what about this now then? Okay.
range above 5. Y is greater or equal to 5.
Is it 5?
Sorry, -5. I didn't see the papers.
Yeah, -5, right? Okay.
Above the ground, where t is the time in seconds and h is the height in meters. The graph of dysfunctions from below. What is the best conclusion about the rocket's movement? F.
What if? Okay.
The rocket did not travel 20 meters.
At highest point, it will start falling down, right? Speed at highest point is 0. So it will not be greatest. H will be greatest, but not the speed.
H is the y value.
So rocket has traveled how many meters?
Sorry, I don't know. Wait, give me a sec. Oh, this isn't writing properly. Okay, I'm trying to make my pen tablet work better. H Y U
See, I'll tell you what, okay? This question. If the rocket was like this, it goes up and it falls down like this, right?
Yeah.
So that is what is happening. So it reaches a maximum height of 200 meters.
6.
200, right? At t equal to 6, but height is 200 meters.
Yeah.
So it goes up to here and then falls like this up to here. So the distance traveled by the rocket is 200 up, 200 down. 400 is the answer.
Okay.
So 200 up, down, 200 down. Okay? Yeah, I'll search the next question. So start reading this question.
I think I've seen this question in one of my tests.
Oh, really? Try it then.
It's to the power 0 to the power 0 of 2 is 0. 2 times 0. Okay. It's 2 and 52.
Yeah. Yeah, so this one or this one?
So 52.
H or J?
J.
I think you know how, right?
Yeah, just input x values.
But what is the value of x? What is the value of y when x is, let's say, negative 3?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. For positive 3, you got the answer 20. That is correct.
Y equals, this is when y equals 3. When y equals negative 3, it'll be 6, 14.
Okay, y 14?
Sorry, 8.
Yeah, 8, right? 9 minus 6 plus 5. 8. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Next.
Yeah. It becomes reflected across the x-axis.
Yes, x-axis, right?
Um,
And it will be wider or narrower?
it's doing the thing.
Okay, it will reflect like this, but it will be like this or it will be like this.
Oh, sorry. My thing did the thing again.
Yeah, and then so is it like this or is it like this? Wider or narrower?
One second. Okay.
See, when does this become wider? When does this become narrower?
When it's multiplied by, say, 1/2 or like 5.
Now here in this question it is multiplied by?
-5.
Yeah, so it will affect, right? Obviously.
So it'll become wider.
See, it will become like this.
How?
Whoa. We covered, right? The various a values. If a is greater than 1, it will be closer or wider. Which one is it? Closer. So -5 means
Because it's negative. Okay, I get it.
reflection of like this. Okay. So narrower or wider? Okay.
Absolute value of x is greater than 1. Right now it says
Hmm.
equals like
Reading the question.
like 11, 12.
The
We're on of 11, so this thing is about 7. 6. This is about 6 or 7. Do I go down slow?
okay. So which one is the answer? Best estimate.
6.
See, 11 is here, right?
Yeah.
Something like this.
So 8.
8 is the corresponding one. So you join like this.
Oh.
Estimation only, not the exact. So approximately 8. 8 is the answer. Okay.
It's because you imitate the line of best fit, right?
Yeah, modeling means just an estimation. We can ignore this. We can think these points which are outside as they are closer to the line. Curve, closer to the curve. Sorry.
The line of best fit. Best fit.
Okay. So let's start the class, okay?
This is it.